exact role of Indian School of Ethical Hacking?
Last 8 years, IOCH has been trying to upskill, make people aware on cyber security. And we have taught like Kolkata Police, CID, different law enforcement, even the corporate, college students. We have gone to senior citizens, to even young students from schools, so that they are much more equipped to protect themselves against the cyber crime. আজকে চারিদিকে যে সাইবার ক্রাইম হচ্ছে তার এগেনস্টে আমাদের জনসচেতনতা বাড়াবার জন্যে আমাদের প্রচুর কাজ বাকি। সেই কাজগুলো লাস্ট 8 বছর ধরে করছি এবং সেটা স্কুল, কলেজ, পুলিশ, লয়ার্স, বিভিন্ন মানুষের মাঝখানে আমরা এটা পৌঁছে যাওয়ার চেষ্টা করছি, যাতে আগামী দিনে যে আমরা ডিজিটাল ইন্ডিয়া বলছি, সেই ডিজিটাল ইন্ডিয়া যেন শুধু ডিজিটাল না থাকে, সিকিওর থাকে, সেফ থাকে।
What do you think is the general awareness about cybercrime?
Actually, due to involvement of electronics and many other new media, this is actually the century or age of media, and there is so many ways we are involved with media, but sometimes it helps, sometimes it hurts. Actually, this cyber crime also developed the same way, that way. Few people are using, misusing, and it's a various criminal offense everyday happenings. So we should be aware about that, how we could handle this electronics and how we use properly. Otherwise it will be dangerous, and if we do not that way conscious or aware about all these things, our society will affect various way.
How important is today's rally to raise awareness about cybercrime?
Absolutely necessary, absolutely fantastic. On National Cyber Security Day, we all know how people are being robbed of their hard-earned money from banks and other places. While we are encouraging digital banking, on the other hand, we are not emphasizing enough on the safety measures, very simple safety measures to be followed. So it's an awareness, it's not a specialist job. That is the point that is being made in this rally.
How is cybercrime engulfing our existence?
I really feel that lot of people are facing lot of problems, and I am one of them. Recently I faced my Facebook page was hacked and somebody is earning money on that. So people should be aware, and I didn't do anything, but even then, so that people, those who make mistakes sometimes, one should not click on things, and unknown people and those who are strangers, never talk to them, especially on social media. That's what I feel, and this kind of program is very, very important. So I'm really happy to be a part of it.
What is the role of parents in today's scenario where their children are exposed to cybercrime?
Yeah, I think this has become need of the hour. We need to make the children understand that to be very careful, and this type of awareness program should be there. There should be more numbers of camp. There should be more numbers of awareness programs, and parents, they have got the main, they have got the huge duty that to make the children understand that not to open any site because there are a lot of traps, lot of incentives they will provide. That there are one section of people who are misusing this advancement of the technology. We are blessed with the advancement of the technology, but at the same time, there are a section who are doing this of mischiefs. So it is you have to be very careful, and the children, those who are teenage children. So I must say that you should be very careful when you are going through different websites, and don't unnecessarily fall into trap, because there will be a lot of emails, lot of phone calls, and there will be a lot of traps. So that should be.
এটা হচ্ছে সাইবার অ্যাওয়ারনেস নিয়ে র্যালি। তো সাইবার অ্যাওয়ারনেস এখন মানে মানুষের মধ্যে ছড়িয়ে দেওয়া খুবই ইম্পর্ট্যান্ট, কারণ চারিদিকে প্রচুর হ্যাকিং হচ্ছে, বিভিন্ন বিষয় নিয়ে মানুষ বিব্রত হচ্ছে। তো তার জন্য মানুষের মধ্যে এই সতর্কতাটা ছড়িয়ে দেওয়া দরকার।
It's a nice campaign actually, and I'm part of it. I'm really honored. And actually I'm from IoT department, cyber security, so it's really nice.